Welcome, folks. Today, we're diving into the world of electrical plugs, those tiny titans connecting our gadgets to the magic of electricity. Stay tuned for a quick jolt of knowledge. What is an electrical plug? An electrical plug, commonly known as power plugs, is a device used to connect electrical appliances and devices to a power source. It consists of a plug body with prongs or pins supported by plastic support or casing that can be inserted into a matching socket or receptacle. How it works? 1. Plug body. The plug body is typically made of insulating material, such as plastic or rubber, to prevent electrical conductivity and ensure safety. It houses the metal prongs and other internal components. 2. Prongs. Most plugs have 2 or 3 prongs, which are the metal pins that make contact with the electrical socket. A. Two-pronged plugs. Two-pronged plugs have 1 prong or pin, each connected to the hot and neutral slots of the receptacle. The hot pin is connected to the hot slot of the socket. It draws current from the receptacle, which flows to power the load. The neutral pin, connected to the neutral slot of the socket, returns the current to the receptacle and back to the power supply. B. Three-pronged plugs. In three-pronged plugs, a grounding pin is introduced. This pin is connected to an electrical system's ground wire. It is typically positioned under hot and neutral pins. This pin does not carry current, and the ground connection is added as a safety feature. In case of a faulty wire, short circuit, or electrical surge, the ground connection will transmit and neutralize the stray electricity to the power supply and the ground. 3. Conductors. Inside the plug, there are conductors, usually made of copper or other conductive materials. The conductors are connected to the prongs and provide a pathway for the electric current to flow. 4. Insulation. Insulation is used to separate the conductors and prongs, preventing unintended contact and ensuring safety. The insulation material also provides protection against electric shocks. 5. Strain. Relief. Strain relief is a feature designed to prevent the wires inside the plug from being pulled or twisted excessively. This helps to avoid damage to the internal wiring. 6. Connection to socket. The prongs on the plug are inserted into corresponding slots in the electrical socket. When the plug is fully inserted, the prongs make contact with conductive elements inside the socket, establishing an electrical connection. 7. Electric current flow. Once the plug is connected to the socket, electric current flows from the power source through the conductors in the plug, into the device's power cord, and finally to the device. Thank you for tuning in. If you enjoyed our content, don't forget to share, comment, subscribe, and hit that like button. For all your electrical service needs, reach out to One Touch Electrical Services, a touch that lights the world. Stay electrified.